Okay, so I'm here with Liency Foo, a family friend of ours, and she has been able to use some of the local Malay plants to her advantage in some cooking. So, Liency, could you show me?
Okay. First I'll show you. This is the wild coriander. You can cut it up in strips. Wild coriander. Just smell it and see. You like it?
Yeah, it's
Very refreshing. Huh?
Yeah.
So usually we will make use of it for garnishing, or we can just cut it up in small strips and make omelette with it. And this grass here is a special kind of grass. We call in Malay is pegaga. Pegaga. There's lots of it, but we just cleared it. It's a very cooling drink. Usually people take it to refresh themselves.
Oh, okay.
Make into a drink. And this is the curfew line. Curfew line. Yeah. Usually they use a lot in Chinese cooking, like tom yum soup and Malaysians do use it too. Not so much for the fruits, but more for the leaves. It's very, very pungent as well as refreshing. These are more like herbal, herbal. Like this is called misai kucing, whiskers of the cat. Can you see the whiskers of the cat? And it's a very diuretic, and it's used usually to treat kidney stones, or diabetic.
Okay.
How they use it. And over there, you can't see it, but there's a torch flower, but we just harvested it over the other side.
Torch flower.
Over the other side, after I show you, it's a torch flower. And this climbing plant on this tree is also anti-cancer plant outside the tree. And there are other herbs as well.
The big leaf ones, right?
The big leaves. These two, supposed to be good for kidneys. You can make it into a drink and drink it.
These are the ones.
This is jambu.
Oh, okay.
So this is jambu, isn't it?
Jambu.
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 Jambu. So we just cut it up and eat it raw?
Yes.
This is the one I'm using for my fish omelette. You smell it? Down kado, it's good for calves.
Oh, okay.
And they're using for the otak. There's a special dish.
Otak. Otak
We
is
use this brain.
no. It's Chinese Malay cooking.
Yeah, the
Nyonya.
What about these
this is the same, yes.
buds?
This is the one, down kado.
Do you use these
Otak.
part?
No, we don't use the shoot. We just use the leaves, the young ones.
Oh, okay, nice.
But they go otak, huh? Otak.
Because it's soft.
Okay.
Otak means, what is otak? Brain.
Brain.
So the dish is because it's soft and that's what they call it, brain.
Okay, so does it grow in water usually?
It not necessarily. It can grow anywhere, in the jungle. But just happen there's water here. There's another kind of herb, but that grows in the water. But we cleared it, so it's not.
So this is part of your property?
Well, the land is free for everyone, so we just
Look at the banana there.
It's just like
Kianji. Oh, it looks kind of fuzzy.
Yes, it looks like a daisy. I can make a soup out of it too.
Okay, does it have medicinal purposes? It's medicines?
Medicine, yes. It's supposed to dilute the blood.
Oh, okay.
And this is another one. We use the root of this to make a curry. This is we call it lengkuas.
Lungkwas.
We don't use the leaves. We only use the roots, the tuber, for the making. Blend it in the curry sauce. Certain kind of curry we use this.
Nice.
So it's a growth.
tumors, cancer growth. And so it's mixed with apples?
Yes, green apples.
Green apples. Into a sauce or?
It make it take it fresh, like a fresh drink.
Oh, okay.
One time it was very popular, but now other herbs come out and
Right.
not so popular.
And so I can see it's thorny.
It's
So
very thorny. You have to be very careful. But it's a kind of flower that grows, but not this kind. It's a very pretty flower.
So this So here we have a jackfruit tree. As you can see, unfortunately the monkeys have gotten to it before us. But as you can see, the texture is rough. You can tell when it's ripe when the spikes are displaced. Some uses for it are some medicinal purposes. Is it's good for coughs, and it also has very good daily fiber. So it's a good health food. One of them is the very famous samlaksa.
Okay. This is the vegetable, a wild vegetable. We call it sayur. You can use it as a salad, but you can also fry it. It's a hot dish.
Fry it. Okay.
And actually, the torch flower, I put inside the noodles here.
The
Cut
noodle?
it fine and put
And
it
so
inside
these
the
are mint
noodles.
leaves?
And mint leaves, yes. And I also use this lime leaf inside here.
Okay, so that's from that tree.
Yes. And this avocado, this I use it for this fish. It's not omelette. It's a gravy, sort of exotic dish with coconut milk and lots of spices. This goes in here.
Nice.
Yeah. So all these are garden herbs.
Yeah. So this is
for
an
the
omelette?
dishes.
With-
Omelette together with this the wild coriander that you were smelling just now. I think I have a leaf around.
So we also have another pasta. You can see the purple flecks.
This is the wild coriander. It goes with the pork omelette. It goes in.
Okay.
So
Nice.
all these today's dishes are all making use of all the local herbs from
Yeah.
the garden, just to flavor the different flavors.
Okay, so from the herbs that we were looking at earlier, Sister Foo has created a dish of bihun noodles, and the flowers, you can see the torch flowers. You can see little flakes here, mint leaves. You can really taste the curfew and the mint as well. Thank you so much, Liency, for taking the time to share some of your local knowledge on these Malay plants, and also for being a wonderful host and sharing this great meal with us. Another special thanks to